Viktor Frankl lost everything in the Nazi concentration camps. His family, his life's work, his freedom. But he discovered something that changed psychology forever. The prisoners who survived weren't the strongest or the healthiest. They were the ones who found meaning in their suffering. While others gave up hope, Frankl mentally rewrote his destroyed manuscript every night, line by line, and page by page. He watched fellow prisoners who helped others, who shared their bread, who told stories to keep memories alive. These people endured when others couldn't. Frankl realized that humans can survive almost anything if they have a reason why. Not happiness, not comfort and meaning. He created logotherapy, a method that asks one question. What is life asking of you right now? After the war, he helped thousands overcome depression by shifting their focus from pain to purpose. His book became one of the most influential works ever written because he proved something profound. You can't always choose what happens to you, but you can always choose what it means. Your suffering has purpose if you give it purpose.